Namaste, viewers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are embarking on a colorful journey to learn about the fascinating festival of Holi, celebrated with great joy and enthusiasm in India. Join us as we dive into the rich history and cultural significance behind this vibrant festival. Before going to video, if you want to surf the world of knowledge daily, please subscribe us by pressing the red subscribe bello and keep the bell icon all. Let's go to the video. Number 1. Introduction to Holi. Holi, also known as the Festival of Colors, is one of the most vibrant and widely celebrated festivals in India. It marks the arrival of spring and signifies the victory of good over evil. Now, let's delve into the history of Holi. Number 2. Historical origins. Holi, the Festival of Colors, has its roots deeply embedded in history, encompassing both mythological and historical significance. Let's delve into the historical origins of this vibrant celebration. Holi finds its origins in Hindu mythology, with one of the most popular legends being the divine love story of Lord Krishna and Radha. According to the mythological tales, young Lord Krishna, with his mischievous nature, would often complain to his mother about the stark difference in complexion between him and Radha. In response, his mother, Yashoda, playfully suggested that he can apply colors on Radha's face to make them both look alike. Following this playful advice, Lord Krishna would visit Radha and her friends in the village of Vrindavan during the spring season and engage in the colorful tradition of applying and throwing vibrant powders, creating a joyous atmosphere. This romantic association of Holi with Lord Krishna and Radha's playful love has become an integral part of the festival's mythology. Another significant legend associated with Holi is the story of Prahlada and Holika. Prahlada, a devout follower of Lord Vishnu, was the son of a demon king named Hiranyakashipu. Hiranyakashipu's immense ego led him to demand worship as a god. However, Prahlada's unwavering devotion to Lord Vishnu angered his father, who sought to eliminate him with the help of his sister, Holika. Holika possessed a boon that made her immune to fire. In a treacherous plan, she sat on a pyre with Prahlada on her lap, intending to burn him to death. However, divine intervention resulted in Holika's demise while Prahlada emerged unscathed, symbolizing the victory of good over evil. The Holika Dahan ritual, where people gather around a bonfire the night before Holi and burn effigies of Holika, commemorates this legend. Moving beyond mythology, the historical significance of Holi can be traced back to various ancient texts and literature. References to Holi can be found in ancient scriptures, including the 7th century Sanskrit play called Ratnavali, written by King Harsha, where Holi is described as a festival of colors and love. Over time, Holi evolved into a community festival, spreading its roots across different regions of India, each adding their unique cultural touch to the celebrations. Today, it stands as a vibrant and cherished festival that not only preserves ancient mythology but also brings people together in a spirit of joy, love, and harmony. Number 3. Legends and mythology. Apart from the romantic legend of Radha and Krishna, Holi is also associated with several other legends. The story of Prahlada and Holika, where good triumphs over evil, is particularly significant. We explore these fascinating stories and their connection to the festival. Number 4. Holika Dahan. One of the key rituals of Holi is the Holika Dahan, also known as the bonfire ceremony. People gather around a bonfire the night before Holi and symbolically burn Holika, representing the victory of good over evil. Number 5. Celebration of colors. The highlight of Holi is the playful throwing of colors, water balloons, and water guns. It's a time when people come together, forgetting social barriers, and indulge in the joyous atmosphere. We take you through the streets filled with laughter and vibrant hues. Number 6. Cultural traditions. Holi is not just about playing with colors, it also involves various cultural traditions. We explore the tradition of singing folk songs, dancing to traditional music, and enjoying scrumptious festive delicacies like gujiyas and thandai. Number 7. Regional variations. Holi is celebrated differently in various regions of India. From the exuberant Lathmar Holi in Mathura, where women playfully hit men with sticks, to the musical and melodious Phulan Ki Holi in Vrindavan, each region has its unique way of celebrating. Number 8. Holi in unity. Holi transcends religious and social boundaries, bringing people together in a spirit of unity and harmony. We explore how this festival fosters bonds between individuals and communities, promoting love, forgiveness, and friendship. Number 9. Modern-day celebrations. In recent times, Holi has gained popularity worldwide, and people from different cultures and backgrounds participate in its festivities. We showcase the multicultural celebrations and the impact of Holi on a global scale. Number 10. Purpose of Holi celebration. Holi is celebrated with various purposes in mind. Firstly, it welcomes the arrival of spring, bidding farewell to winter and embracing the rejuvenation and vibrancy of nature. Secondly, it symbolizes the victory of good over evil, with the burning of Holika during the Holika Dahan ritual signifying the triumph of righteousness and the elimination of negativity. Holi also promotes unity and social harmony, as people from different backgrounds come together to celebrate, breaking social barriers and fostering love and brotherhood. The festival is an expression of joy and happiness, allowing people to immerse themselves in the spirit of fun and playfulness through the vibrant colors. It also serves as a platform for forgiveness and reconciliation, encouraging individuals to seek forgiveness, let go of past grievances, and start afresh with love and understanding. Additionally, Holi strengthens community bonds, bringing neighbors, friends, and families together through socializing, cultural events, and shared festive meals. And that's a wrap on our exploration of Holi, a festival that spreads happiness, love, and colors. We hope you enjoyed this journey through its history and cultural significance. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Until next time, have a colorful day.